Let's go directly to the app and check out the Google animations I made for you guys. But before that, please turn on captions and select your desired language. As I promised, I've made these 5 animations fully using Sketchware. These aren't actually their animation names. I named them so that it could be easy for everyone to know them. Let me go right ahead and click the first button. There's up, down, increase, decrease animation. Central, increase, decrease. Profile, in and out. Left side twist. And right side twist. But how did I make all these animations? I remember saying I made this using Sketchware. But how? So let's go to the project and find out. This project is not that complex. In fact, it uses no library and not even a single code. It just needs a lot of object animators and timer components, together merged and used with great planning to bring out the best animations. Every object animator here does a specific action, because no object animator component can play 2 or more animations at the same time. But before that, I've set a condition immediately the button is clicked. This condition prevents any other object animator from playing whenever an animation is still active. I've done this everywhere, even in the profile animation. I'm sure you can find many great ways in using these animations. Anyways, the project links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, cause more great tutorials are on the way.